Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, we are here. Yes, to run the class. Yes, on day 6, subject compulsory mathematics of class 10. Now, I have written the 2 questions here, and we are going to solve them. Now, look the question at first. It is given that a sum of money was divided equally among a certain number of boys. That means certain number of the boys are there, and we have the sum of money also, and we are going to divide that money equally to each student or each boys, and the condition are, had there been 6 more boys, if we increase the number of boys by 6, each would have received 1 less. That means what? How much they have to get? From that they get what? 1 less. Yes. And second condition, had there been 4 fewer, if the boys have 4 less, each would have received 1 more. That means what? How much they get? In that they get the 1 plus, no? And find the number of boys and also the sum received by it. Yes. So this is the question, and we are going to do this. Now look for the question number 1. Yes. At first, question number 1, solution. We have to let at first. Yes. So let the number of boys be x, and the sum of money and the sum of money received by each be y. We have laid this. So our totals are therefore the total money distributed equals to x into y. That means what? The number is x, that means x number of boys are there, and they will receive y. That means what? When we multiply each number of amount with each student, we get the total money, that is x into y. Now according to the condition first, from the first condition, yes, from the first condition it is given that each should have, that means what? Had there been 6 more boys, that means when the total money is divided by number of the student, if the number is 6 more, that means x plus 6, they would have received, that means what? The each would receive y, but here it is 1 less, so it become y minus 1. This is condition first. Let's simplify this at first. So we get what? xy, and this x plus y is divide here this side, and it become multiply. So we get y minus 1 into x plus 6. We get like this, and let's multiply them. Or x into y equals to this y with both the term, and minus 1 also with the both the term. We get what? xy plus 6y, then minus x minus 6, we get like this. Now look that here it is xy. So x and xy we can cancel. They are the same sign. Yes, positive, that's why. And we get what? That means this is the equation. So we get our 6y minus x minus 6 equals to 0. Like this, and let's turn this 6. This x is negative here. This side, then it become positive. So we get what? 6y minus 6 equals to x, or similarly, or x equals to 6y minus 6. Just in the simple form I have written that. So we get the value of x in the term of y from the first condition. Now from the second condition, yes. So what is the second condition? Look at it. Second condition, had there been 4 fewer, that means what? When the total distribution of money is divided by 4 less, yes, then each would have received 1 more, that is y plus 1. We get like this, 1 more, each would have received y, but 4 fewer student is there, that's why they get one more, and that is the condition. Let's simplify that. Yes, yes or not? Now this x minus y is divided, this side then it become multiply, so we get xy equals to 4y plus 1 into x minus 4, that is, yes. Now then let's simplify that. Xy equals to this y with both the term and plus 1 also with the both, so y into x, xy minus 4y plus x minus 4, we get like this. Now same as that. Yes, above xy negative and sorry positive sign in the opposite. Yes, that's why we can cancel, and we get what? We get x minus 4y, this is 4, yes, minus 4y minus 4 equals to 0, that is, yes, or x minus 4y equals to 4, this is the second equation, just I made this like this. Yes, and now in the first equation we have made in the simple form, that is x equals to 6y minus 6. So let's solve the equation first and second. Yes, solving equation first and second. Yes, we get that means the value of x is 6y minus 6 minus 4y equals to plus 4. We get this. Now y and constant term to the next side. Yes, 6y minus 4y, we get the 2y equals to 4, and minus 6 is here, this side there will become plus 4 plus 6, we get this. Then 2y equals to 10. Yes or not? Now 2 is multiplied, this side then it become divided, so we get what? Y equals to 10 by 2, that means what? Y equals to 5. Yes, we get this is the value of y, that means what? Sum of money he should have received is 5, that is, sum of money is there, and 5 means what? It should be RS, so write RS 5. Yes, this is, we have clearly in the answer. Now putting the value of y equals to 5 in equation first. Let's put that. Yes, in equation first, then we get value of x, then x equals to 6 into 5 minus 6, that means what? 30 minus 6, we get what? 30 minus 6 means that is 24 around. That means there, while distributing that, and it is said that find the number of the boys, that means the number of boys is 24, and also the sum received by each, that means they receive RS 5 each. This is, so these two are our answer, so write like answer like this. Yes, and lastly we have to write the conclusion, or therefore, yes, the number of boys is 24, and the sum of money received by each is RS 5. This is the question number first. And this question, yes, in the previous year it asks in the center also, in the center board it asks, and in I think 2073 also in the final term, that means in the SE exam also, these types of the question, that means the number are changed but the type is the same. So a bit important type of the question, and these types of the question are asking for or in group C or D. Yes. Now for the question number second, and And this question number second is the easy one, that is the for the 2 marks type of the question. Yes, and after completing that, then we have, that means we close that the linear equation. Yes, so up to this what we have, yes, from that classes, yes, what we have got that, and that much is sufficient for you, yes, to do the exercise for the linear equation. And now for the question number second, it is given that at first what is it is said. Let's read the question again. The sum of two numbers is 10. That means we have to add the two number, and that is the first condition. And 2 times the first is equals to 3 times the second. Yes, that means 2 times the first is equals to 3 times the second. This is the second condition, and we have to find the number. So what are the numbers? At first we have to let the two number be x and y. Yes, so x as the first and y as the second number. From the first condition, that is according to the question, or from the first condition, it is given that, yes, sum is plus, so that's why x plus y equals to 10. Yes or not? Suppose this is the first equation. Yes, and now from the second condition, yes, it is given that 2 times of first, that is 2 times of the first is equals to, that's why equals to 3 times of the second. This is the second condition, and yes, we get the second condition like this. Yes, so let's simplify it. X equals to 3y by 2. Suppose this is the second. Yes, and now let's solve that first and second equation. Let's solve that. When we solve that, or solving equation first and second, yes, we get what we get. Let's put the value of x equals to 3y upon 2 in equation first. So let's put that 3y by 2 plus y equals to 10. This is, and 2 is in the denominator, so LCM. So we get what? 3y plus 2y by 2 equals to 10. This is or not? And now 3y plus 2y, we get the 5y. And 2 is divided here, this side, then we can multiply. We get 10 into 2. That is what? 5y equals to 20. Yes. And 5 is multiply here, this side, then it become divided. So we get y equals to 20 upon 5. Yes. Or therefore y equals to 4. That means the second number we get. Yes. That is 4. Yes, and to get the first one, putting the value of y equals to 4 in equation second. If you put in equation second, that is the easy. You can put in equation first also. Yes, so in equation second, then x equals to 3 into 4 by 2, that means what? 12 by 2, that is 6. 600. Therefore, so these two numbers are therefore the two numbers are 6 and 4. These are the two numbers. If you put this value in equation first and second, then they satisfy that. And this is the question number 2. Yes. This type of the question, it asks in the exam point of view, this type of question asks for the 2 marks, no? Yes, for the 2 marks, this type, and that means what? We have done from the up to 6, that means up to day 6, we did the linear equation. That means in every day, that means I have done the 2 questions, that means we have done the 12 model question for the linear one. And if you that means deal with these problems, you can easily solve your exercise easily. I think nothing is there, no, beyond this. Yes, so according to this, or after observing these types of the question, you can easily do your all the exercise and do that. Yes, and then after in the next classes we will start the quadratic equation. Yes, they are that means of the same time, but here is the addition and addition like that, subtraction like that, but in the quadratic type we give the two roots, that is two values, and on the basis of that we will do. This was for today. Yes, thank you.